Today I'm bringing a solution to a challenge that all AI creators face. We all use AI to generate images for our stories and sometimes make great explanation videos. But the biggest problem we often encounter is having consistent characters. The character's looks changes in every image, which affects the continuity of our story. So today I'll show you how to solve this problem using Playground AI. I'll demonstrate how to give your characters a consistent and professional look. So if you want to take your AI creations to the next level, make sure to watch this video till the end. So to generate a consistent character, today I'm using Playground AI. First we'll focus only on the character itself, how to generate a consistent character, and later on we'll check it in more detail. So to do this, we need a simple idea of what kind of image we want to generate. We should at least know the character's appearance details, attire, background and lighting. For example, I'll enter this prompt to generate the image. Create a detailed image of a 25-year-old Italian male model with olive-toned skin, sharp features, dark brown hair and tall. He should be dressed in a stylish modern outfit. And the background should be elegant with lighting that highlights his features and clothing textures. And in the filters, I'll use the realism engine and you can select any aspect ratio. For now, I'll check 16:9 and click on generate. So as you can see, the images we got are exactly how I wanted them to be, with dark brown hair and sharp features. And now I want the same character sitting at a breakfast table at home, enjoying breakfast in casual clothing. So I'll go back to the prompt box, add having breakfast, and change the outfit from modern to casual. So you can see that our model is the same and is having breakfast. The casual clothing isn't perfect, but that's okay for now. We are mainly checking the consistency of the face, and for that, this looks good. And now I want a character to be exercising in the gym, so I'll add the prompt again, remove having breakfast and instead add exercise in the gym. I'll also change the outfit from casual to gym clothes and update the background to a modern gym environment. So let's see what results we get. So as you can see, the results matches the previous images exactly. So this was our basic method for creating consistent character. But what if we are making a cartoon character movie? How can we keep our character consistent? Let's check that as well. So to make our work easier, I'm providing a prompt to GPT, which I'll also include in the description box. With this prompt, GPT will show my character in different scenarios. So here you can see GPT has given me prompts to generate images of my character in various scenarios. So now I'll paste this prompt here and change the filter to Real Cartoon XL to see what results we get. So here's our first image. Let's enter the second prompt and check how consistent our character remains. So the results are great. We are getting amazing backgrounds and different outfits, but the character stays the same. So I'll also check the third prompt now. So here are the third images. And here are the images from our fourth prompt. The results are fantastic. This shows how easily you can create animation. If you are making an animated video, you can easily maintain a consistent character across different backgrounds and outfits. And let me check one last prompt. So my goal in showing a character in different outfits and backgrounds was to make it easy for you to understand whether you have a story channel, an explanation channel, or a fact channel, and you use AI images but struggle with maintaining a consistent character. This is a very simple and easy way to generate a consistent character. So additionally, I created another consistent character using AI, and I'll show you those images as well. So today we saw how you can use Playground AI to create consistent characters, whether it's a realistic model or a fun cartoon character. Just focus on the details of the character and the AI will maintain the continuity for you. So that's all for today. Stay tuned because even more amazing tips and tricks are waiting for you in the next video. Let's keep creating magic with AI.